In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Make to Glide. First, head over to your Make account. You need to create a scenario, whether you are sending data from Glide to Make, receiving data from Make into Glide, or doing both. I already have a scenario built, so I'm going to open it and go into the editing section. Once you are inside your scenario and ready to integrate Glide, click on the plus icon to add a new module. In the search box, type Glide. When Glide appears, click on it. Now you will see all available operations such as add row, edit row, delete row, and more. For example, if I want to add a new row, I would select Add Row. Before you can use any action, you must create a connection. Click on Create a Connection first, enter a name for this connection, and then it will ask you for an API key. To find this API key, go to your Glide app and make sure you are inside the correct app. At the upper side of your screen, click on Settings, then click on Integrations. On the right-hand search box, search for Make. When it appears, open it. Click on Add to App. You will now see the API section with a Copy button. Copy the API key. Return to Make and paste the API key into the API key box, then click Save. Your Glide connection is now established. Next, select your Glide app inside the module, then select the table you want to work with, and finally choose the specific action settings. After setting everything, click Save and complete your scenario. When you run it, it will interact with your Glide data. If you ever want to confirm that your Glide connection is active, click on Connections from the left-hand side menu, and you will see your Glide connection listed there with your account name. And this is how you can connect Make to Glide.